So now we're going to learn about conversion. So conversion means that we take a value of a certain type and we convert it to another type. Okay, so what does that look like in practice? Here, this does not run. This code does not run because B is type hot dog, and you can't use type hot dog, right? B, right here, variable B is of type hot dog. You can't use type hot dog and assign it to a variable which has been declared to be of type int. But we can here, and we know that type hot dog's underlying type, its underlying type is an int, so we could use conversion. And this is conversion right here. So if I take B, which is type hot dog, and I convert it with that syntax here, just int and then parens and wrap it around whatever you want to convert. I convert it, use conversion, I convert this to an int. This is now, this little expression right here is going to evaluate and take this value of type hot dog and convert it to type int, and now I can assign a type int to A because A has been declared to store a value of type int. A has been declared as int, right, as type int. So now when I run this, that's going to run. And 43 down here is what prints out, and it is now printing out as type int because that's what A stores. So that is conversion. In other programming languages, that is called casting. We don't call it casting in Go. You could Command F on your browser, go to the Golang spec, right, Golang spec, and you could also go to Effective Go, and you could Command F through these entire documents, Command F, and you could search for cast, and it comes up with 0 results. Doesn't talk about casting anywhere in there. And Command F, cast, and 0 results in Effective Go. Doesn't talk about it anywhere in there. But if we search for conversion, what does come up? Conver, right? Conversions right here. An entire thing on conversions are expressions of the form type and then x, where t is a type and x is an expression that can be converted to type t. Okay, so that's conversion. I don't know, does Effective Go come up with anything about conversion? Yeah, Effective Go has it. The string method of a sequence is recreating the work that Sprint already does for slices. We can share, well, you could read about this on your own time. So there's conversions and type assertions, and we'll learn more about that as we go through the course. So the main thing that you should have now is, you know, that you can create your own types and you can convert to the underlying type, what we've seen. And we don't talk about casting, we talk about conversions. So I'm going to grab this code right here and copy it and then bring it over here and drop it in and then just put the link into the code. Cool. So in the next section, I'll have a whole bunch of exercises for you to do, and that'll reinforce everything you're learning and also give you a review of all of these concepts so you could start to solidify them into your skill set and actually be able to use it. I want this course to be very practical and give you a lot of hands-on experience coding. That's studies show the best way to learn coding is to actually do coding. So I'm introducing you to concepts, and then I'm going to give you a lot of hands-on exercises to apply those. And I really encourage you to work through them. And if you hit frustration points, post your questions, get your code, post your questions to the Golang forum, Go Bridge. Post your questions to this Go Bridge because they'll get answered really quickly. And this is a great place. And you can also, if you don't get your question answered there, post it to the discussion board in this course, and we'll get it answered. So that's it for this section. Congratulations. You're doing a great job. Just keep adding those drops. That's how you get there. Drop by drop, the bucket gets filled. And as you improve your own life, you're improving the world. So the effort that you're putting in here is some of the noblest effort, some of the best ways. This is the best way you could be spending your time. One of the best ways you could be spending your time is just improving yourself, educating yourself. And I commend you for your efforts, and I encourage you to keep going. Just keep going. You're doing great. Every day, work on it a little bit, watch these videos, try coding out the examples, you know, create your own examples, do the hands-on exercises, which I'm going to give you next. And by doing all this, over time, your bucket, you keep adding those drops, your bucket is going to get filled up. It's going to get filled up with knowledge. It's going to get filled up with skills. And that's going to create opportunities in your life to help others and to just do great, fun stuff. So good work. You're on a really good path, learning a great language with great opportunities, whether you go work for somebody or you create your own thing. And you just keep doing it. And depending upon your skill set, in a certain amount of time, you're going to get to the place you want to be. You just got to believe and keep doing it. So long as you keep doing it every day, even when you don't believe, just keep doing it. So many points in my life, there have been times where I don't believe, oh man, this is probably going to go nowhere. And I just stay committed to it and I keep working on it. And over time, I just get better and better. Whether, things I was doing for fun where I wasn't even trying, like rock climbing, and then over time, it's like, wow, I actually became a pretty good rock climber, or windsurfing. Just keep doing it and you get better and better. So congratulations and good on you. You finished this section. You're making great progress, and just keep applying that effort every day. And what you're doing is a great use of your time. You're improving your own life. You're getting skills, valuable skills and knowledge, and you're going to be able to do wonderful things. It's going to open up opportunities for you, and you're going to be able to help people. So good work, and in the next section, we'll have some hands-on exercises.